Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a new concept. The black background sets a mysterious tone. Hashtag BigZoff adds a touch of uniqueness. The words, "good things are coming," build excitement. The video music playful inspirations adds a lighthearted feel. It's time for a fresh AI art start. Embrace the spring theme with us. Let's dive into this new venture.